Graphics is a term defined as relating to illustrations, arts, or drawing. Today, I'll be showing you what graphic designing is through a story. So let's begin. Once there was a line. She wanted to make it big, but with all these other abstracts and designs all around, she thought that she didn't have it in her. So she thought of going on a journey to find her inner design. So she started from the beginning as it dot, grew a little longer, and then zigzagged and twirled, swirled and juggled around until she was in a meeting with a professor named typography. But wait, typography wasn't your ordinary professor. He could change his style in an instant. Grow bigger or smaller, fatter or thinner. Typography aligned the line and made a great layout for her. But still, the line thought that she was missing something. So she thought of going to meet this saint up above the Himalayas. This saint was known as color theory. But again, color theory wasn't your ordinary saint. It took years of practice and hard work to reach his level. And he was still continuing. Color theory helped the line to learn about the art of colors. He told her that sometimes primary isn't always the way to go. Sometimes secondary, tertiary, or even gradients are used to make it big. Color theory helped the line in her journey of design. He also introduced her to some of his friends known as illustrations, icons, shapes, and even abstracts. He introduced her to some tools like Canva, Illustrator, Photoshop, and even InDesign. But the line learned an important lesson, that designing wasn't always about making that simple poster or just learning that new tool. Designing was much more than that. Designing was making a pyramid with the base of what, why, and how. And above that came visual communication and problem solving. By the end of her journey, the line learned a lot. She was now ready to be a graphic designer. And as she came to this end, we did too. But now she was ready to make it big.